Welcome back to Auto Garage, your go-to place for everything on wheels. If you love powerful trucks and off-road beasts, you're in for a treat today because we're diving into the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. Ford has taken this high-performance pickup to the next level, and we're here to break down everything you need to know. So buckle up and let's get started. Main content: the Ford F-150 Raptor has always been a standout in the off-road truck segment, and for 2025, it's more capable and aggressive than ever. Under the hood, the standard Raptor comes with a twin-turbo 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, pushing out around 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. But if that's not enough, Ford is bringing back the beastly Raptor R, packing a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 that cranks out a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower. That's serious power, making it one of the most powerful trucks on the market. Ford has refined the 10-speed automatic transmission to deliver smoother shifts and improved performance across different terrains. Whether you're blasting through sand dunes or crawling over rocks, the power delivery is spot on. Speaking of terrain, the 2025 Raptor is equipped with the latest version of Ford's terrain management system, featuring multiple drive modes like Baja, Rock Crawl, and Sport, ensuring it can handle anything you throw at it. When it comes to suspension, Ford continues its partnership with Fox, upgrading the truck with the latest live valve shocks. These adaptive dampers adjust in real time, giving you maximum control and comfort whether you're on the highway or hitting rough trails. The rear suspension also gets a 5-link setup with extra-long trailing arms, improving stability and wheel travel. This means better off-road performance without sacrificing ride quality. Visually, the 2025 Raptor stays true to its aggressive design but with some fresh updates. The bold grille with massive Ford lettering dominates the front end, while new LED headlights give it a modern, high-tech look. The widened fenders, skid plates, and optional 37-inch tires make it clear this truck is built for serious off-road action. Inside the cabin, Ford has made sure the Raptor isn't just tough but also comfortable and tech-savvy. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and massive 15.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system come standard, running the latest Sync 4 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system make long drives enjoyable. Plus, there are Raptor-exclusive touches like sporty seats with contrast stitching, aluminum paddle shifters, and a thick leather-wrapped steering wheel with a center marker for off-road precision. Ford has also packed the Raptor with advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera to help navigate tight trails. For towing enthusiasts, the Pro Trailer Backup Assist makes reversing with a trailer much easier. Outro: the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor is everything you'd expect from a high-performance off-road truck and more. With insane power, next-level suspension, and cutting-edge tech, it's built to dominate both the trails and the streets. What do you think of the new Raptor? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Garage for more awesome automotive content. See you in